Hey everyone, welcome back to Sanketik live classes. In today's session, we will set up our Playwright automation environment using Visual Studio Code. We will install Playwright, download the required browser files, and finally verify the installation by running our first Playwright program. Running our first Playwright program. This is very important class because once the setup is completed successfully, we will be ready to start practical automation from the next class. We will be ready to start practical automation from the next class. So in the previous class, we understood what Playwright is and why many companies are using it. Okay, so in the previous class, what we have discussed, why Playwright and why companies are using Playwright. Why they are using? Because of it requires very less coding and it can execute faster, and also multiple browser support. Okay, it will support multiple browsers. One of the important feature in Playwright is automate feature, and also it's a modern automation framework, and we are having a lot of job opportunities also in used by Playwright. Okay, so as long as web applications are there, automation testing opportunities will be there. Okay, and next we are also learn about what are the applications of Playwright. This is just an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. If you want the detailed explanation about this, please watch our previous class. Okay, so what are the applications of Playwright? Automation testing, web application testing, API testing, end-to-end testing, cross-browser, and it will support CI/CD automation and modern UI testing. Okay. So next, we had also discussed about what are the front-end technologies and back-end technologies and databases as well. Okay. This is about previous class. Now, today we are going to discuss about we are going to prepare our development environment. Okay. So the class name will be setup Playwright automation environment. Playwright automation. Okay. And next, Playwright automation environment using VS Code. Set up Playwright automation environment using VS Code. Okay. So, see here, we will do everything inside the Visual Studio Code. We will create our project folder and open the terminal. Next, we will install the Playwright. Next, create our first Python file, and finally verify that everything is working correctly. Everything is working correctly. Let's begin our step-by-step process. Okay. First of all, for this we have to open the VS Code. Okay. So from here we have to go to the file option and then open folder. Then here we can choose any of the folder, or else we can create new folder. Okay, new folder, and we can name that as automation or playwright with Python like this. I had already created that one. That's why I can select the previous existing one. Okay, and he can choose the location where you want to store. Okay, can choose the location where you want to keep your automation projects. So here I am saving in Sanketik personal PyTest demo. Here playwright with Python. And next we can go for the bottom of corner of the right side. We can select folder. Okay, this is our first step. Next, uh, throughout this course, we will store all Playwright programs inside this folder. Okay, throughout this course, we will store all Playwright programs inside this folder. Next, step 3 is to open VS Code terminal. So here we are having the terminal, right? Okay, in the below. Okay. If you choose here, we can having the new terminal also. You can select the new terminal as well. Next, after choosing terminal and a new terminal, a terminal bot I mean a terminal will open at the bottom like this. This is the terminal window. Okay, it will open at the bottom. Okay, so it will specify the where we are going to store the program. Okay, so this is the location of the program. So you can also choose likewise, and here we will execute all our playwright commands from this terminal. We will execute all our playwright commands from this terminal. Okay, next, in step 4, what we are going to do is in the same VS Code terminal, we can execute this command, that is pip install. Sorry, not here. In the terminal, we need to select pip playwright. Okay, pip install playwright. Then press enter. Wait until you see the installation completed successfully. I'm not pressing because I have already installed this. Okay, so but you have to wait till the completion of the process. Okay, then here pip Python install packages. Pip stands for Python install packages. So pip is a Python package manager, and this command install the Playwright library. Playwright we can call as library, and it will install the Playwright library. Playwright library. Okay. Next, again, in the same VS Code terminal, execute this command. Okay, here also I am going to provide that command as well. So that command is playwright install. So if you execute this command in your VS Code terminal, then if you press enter, this command downloads the browser files required by Playwright. This command downloads the browser files required by Playwright. So I had already used this, that's why I'm not using again. Okay. So by default, Playwright downloads Chromium, Firefox, WebKit. Okay. Without these browser files, Playwright cannot automate browsers. So we need to uh, have these kind of browsers, that is Chromium, Firefox or WebKit. So those are will comes under Playwright install command. Okay, and this is very important. So On the left side, we are having Explorer, right? Okay. So here, right click on the Playwright with Python. Okay. So this is one. So if you click, one sec. Yeah, if you select this one, then there is a option called New File. Okay, New File. Then we can select the new file and we can name that as a verify underscore playwright.py. Verify underscore playwright.py. So that the .py extension indicates that this is a Python program. .py indicates that this is a Python program. I had already written like that, so that's why I'm not writing. Okay. Next, what we have to follow is uh so here verify, we can name the file name as verify underscore playwright.py, right? Okay. After that, we can now we can write the program inside this playwright. Now we can write the program inside this VS Code playwright. Okay. So now I am going to write the program to verify whether we installed the VS Code playwright. Okay. So don't need to go much deeper about this coding. We can have multiple sessions on this, so we can learn the coding from next class onwards. Okay, but as of now, just try to understand uh, what you can understand as of now. Later, we can slowly explore on coding as well. So now I will write the small coding and I will show you the output of that one. So to know verify whether the playwright installed successfully or not. Okay, so here from playwright, from playwright once dot sync underscore API space important, sorry, import sync underscore playwright. Okay, from playwright dot sync underscore API space import sync underscore playwright. Okay, next with sync underscore playwright in brackets as p. See here, we have to specify browser equal to p dot chromium dot launch that equal to headless. Headless means it will show you the UI. If headless equal to false, then it will show you the UI. If headless is true, then it won't show the UI. UI means user interface. Don't need to bother about the coding. You can learn the coding later. Just for verification purpose only, I am writing the code. Okay. Next, page equal to which page we have to open, we need to specify. Page equal to browser dot new underscore page browser dot new underscore page. Next page dot go to. Before this line, we have to specify that page dot browser. We have to open new page. Now we are going to specify which website we are going to open. For suppose HTTPS. If you want to detail thing, then you can go for just open the Chrome browser. Okay. Then open this one. Just copy and paste it here. Okay. Next page dot wait underscore for uh okay. Okay. Wait underscore for load state. Wait for load state. Next browser dot close. Sorry. Browser dot close. Okay. So okay, don't worry about understanding every line right now. Today's goal is only to verify the Playwright has been installed successfully, and you will understand every statement from the next class onwards. Okay, then we can press Ctrl plus S to save the program, or else we can go for file and save here. Okay, next go back to VS Code terminal. Here we can give the name as py verify underscore playwright dot py. Verify playwright dot py. Okay, next. So here, if everything is installed correctly, you will observe Chromium browser opens, the example website loads successfully, and browser closes automatically. So okay, let's press the enter. See, yeah, Chrome got opened and closed immediately. Okay, if you want to verify again, then we can give the same command and press enter. Then also it will automatically open the Chrome and then it will close. Okay, congratulations, your Playwright installation is successful and your environment is ready for automation testing. Environment is ready for automation testing. Let's go for the running notes for this one. It's an important concept. So here, Playwright requires Playwright library. Next, browser boundaries. Browser binaries. Binaries. Browser binaries. Okay. So then, and how we install the Playwright in VS Code is, so these are the steps for VS Code setup. Basic steps, VS Code setup. Open Visual Studio Code. Next, create or open project folder. Next, open VS Code terminal. Next thing is execute installation commands. Next, create Python file. Execute Python program. Execute Python program. And the installation commands are first one is pip install Playwright. Okay, next command we have to use is Playwright install. Pip install Playwright and Playwright install. How to run the program then? Using terminal. If you want to run it from the terminal, then you can use this command to run your program. Okay. How to run program. For this, we can use py. Verify. Playwright. .py. Verify underscore playwright .py. So, okay, if it's successfully installed, then browser will open, website loads, and browser closes automatically. Then your Playwright environment is configured successfully. Okay, then that means that your Playwright environment is configured successfully. Okay, so here important things are: use VS Code terminal throughout this course. Store all Playwright programs inside the same project folder, and verify your installation before writing automation script. Okay, verify your installation before writing automation scripts. Okay, after that, then if it's installed successfully, then we can so today, I mean, we have successfully installed Playwright and verified that our environment is working correctly. This is very important milestone before starting any practical automation series, I mean practical automation testing. Okay, in the next class we will understand each line of the verification program and learn how Playwright launches a browser step by step. How? One second. Okay. How? The next, how? I mean, how Playwright launches a browser step by step. Practice today's setup carefully, and I will see you in the next class. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for upcoming sessions. See, thanks for watching. See you in next class.